Hi, it's Matt from Octane. I hope you're well. I'm just going to do a quick walk around video this morning of our latest Volkswagen Transporter we've been fortunate enough to bring into stock. This is the second time we've owned this particular Transporter. We've just bought it back from our customer who bought it from us late last year and has enjoyed it thoroughly. But circumstances have slightly changed, and we were delighted to reacquire this highly spec'd 2016 Volkswagen Transporter T32 2.0 BiTDI manual. This we've actually known this van for quite a long time, having sold it to the previous owner, and we also know the first owner of the vehicle as well, having spoken to them as well. So we have some great knowledge on this one. It's a very highly spec vehicle as well, just having 3 owners. And of course us knowing the 2 previous and spoke to the original owner. We believe this was a VW demonstrator when it was new, hence the spec that it has. Having known this van for as long as we do, it drives fantastically well. It's a very well sorted vehicle, fabulous service history. It's had a replacement cam belt and water pump in its life. It's got an exacting history all the way through. It'll be freshly serviced and MOT'd and fully prepped before it goes out. The previous service was only done in January, but we will service it again before it goes to its next custodian. So we're super pleased to have this back. Presented in Indium Grey, which is a fantastic colour. It's done just 98,000 miles, as I say. Fantastic service history, great ownership details. Only ever been a private vehicle, this one. But the specification is just something that you'll struggle to repeat and replicate in a vehicle of this age and of this quality. So I'll get into the detail. We've got adaptive Xenon headlights, factory fitment. Look at those. They just make a huge difference to just the appearance, and of course driving at night as well. The factory lights are a bit like candles in the night kind of thing. It's a dual sliding door vehicle, so it's got doors, active doors to both sides, and they have got soft close function, which is extremely rare. Again, with it being a factory demonstrator, it's got some serious extras on it. So I'll run through those. We've got LED rear lights, the active Xenon headlights, as I've just touched on, soft close power sliding, soft close doors to the sliding doors on each side. It's got a Sportline kit. We've got Sportline alloys in black, contrasting black. We've got black trapezoid side bars, privacy glass. It's a tailgate van, the all-important tailgate. Electric folding mirrors. Leather effect internal seats, which are in great condition. As you can see, apologies, it's pipping at me, I've left the keys in. There we go. So we've got all the keys, including the original keyring, both keys and the service key, all with it. All the books, all the papers, all the wallets, all the service paperwork. Captain's chairs to the front, as you can see, fabulous condition. Carpeted front cabin, which there you can see, it's just stunning. It's beautiful, it really is. Leather steering wheel, cruise control, Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, heated front screen. There's the book pack. Look at the carpets, they're just beautiful. And these seat covers really do complement the interior. It's really nice. The leather on the steering wheel, it's just really nice all the way around. No real marks. The gear stick, just nice. All the switch gear, not crashed, not banged. It just presents really well. Dashboard, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, nice down the door cards. Going into the rear, look at the back. The floors. It's very good, this. Combi van, so 3 seats to the rear, all with independent seat belts. As you can see, very well presented indeed. These are folding seats as well, so these will fold flat if you wanted to put a bed in the back and utilise that space as a day van or a occasional use night vehicle. Sportline alloys, as we've touched on. Dual side doors, which means you can get your children out curbside if you want to. Big feature that. especially if you're going to use this as a family vehicle. Looking into the rear, we've got tailgate, as we've said, carpeted down both sides, down each flank there, lovely. All the original tools. The rear load deck is in really good condition. Some slight markings to the wheel arches in the rear there, where things have slid around and just touched those, but you can see the quality of it. It's just really clean, this. Really clean indeed. Seat back's really nice. Carpet through to the front, as I've touched on. Tailgate vehicle, LED rear lights, which are really cool. Reverse camera. Highline spec. And there we go in the rear. Just a nice touch with the carpets down the side, but not banged, not damaged at all on the rear cards. It's got so much potential to do more with this, and I can't tell you how well it drives. It is a superb van to drive this. We drive a lot of these, and you know, this one is really good. It's got the soft close side doors, which I'll try and demonstrate. There you go, I hope that camera picked that up. Loads of spec. I've probably missed some stuff on this. It'll be live on our website later today. All the stickers in all the right places. Great service history. Fantastic looking van. Superb to drive. It's a pleasure to have this back. We're really pleased to buy this. The owner before our client was a police officer, a lovely gentleman. Owned it for a number of years. It's a very loved vehicle. Lots of extras, lots of spec, absolutely superb, really straight down both sides. Tyres are really good. It's ready to go, there you go, 2016 Volkswagen Transporter, massive spec. Give us a call. We've got showrooms, indoor showrooms in Rochdale, North Manchester. Be great to show you around the vehicle. Thank you, have a good day.